My name is Chelsea Robertson. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about solar roadways. So let's get started. Potholes, winter, and death. In the winter, the roads are covered in black ice, snow, and slush. The roads become very hard to see and cause many problems. When the lines of the roads are covered, it's hard to estimate where the lines are, which can cause accidents become a problem between passing vehicles. When the roads are covered in ice, one may be submerged in a life or death situation. In Michigan, the roads are unpredictable. Just this winter, a storm formed and 2 to 3 inches of snow fell an hour, which caused the water on the wet roads to freeze as the temperatures fell. This is a common weather problem that many face. One day, the roads will be dry or wet due to rain, and a couple of hours later, the roads are frozen over or covered with snow. Well, what if there was a way to fix this problem? With up-and-coming technology, there is. Solar roadways create a safe environment for all drivers. The brain behind solar roadways. So a couple named Scott and Julie came up with an idea to create solar-powered roadways. Julie came up with the idea because she wanted to consider the environment and she was concerned about it. Scott, with his smart brain, used to be a veteran in the Marine Corps and was studying technology. He later got his master's in electrical engineering. He has worked on engineering projects in the US, Canada, and even Italy. He and his wife decided to create this project together because they just decided that it would be great for the environment and an easy way to save money on gas and electric and everything else. So what is a solar roadway? Solar roadways are solar panels that are smart microprocessing computers. They're hexagonal solar units made up out of recycled material. They covered in tempered glass in order to withstand weights up to 250,000 pounds. They can stop cars up to 80 miles per hour in the rain. They stay heated so ice and snow melt. They have LED lights that can be programmed to make lanes, warning signs, parking lots, lane strips for airplanes. They're also pressure sensitive in order to detect debris or even animals on the road. This is important because it actually will warn the drivers up ahead that there is something on the road so that they can be more cautious and swerve around it instead of just hitting it head on. Corridors on either side of the road, one for stormwater and one for cables. The stormwater one will be able to be filtered and used appropriately to reuse the water. And for the cables, this protects people from live wires. All the cabling will be on the side of the road underneath, protected, instead of out in the air, open for anything to fall on it and break it. The last thing is they generate a lot of energy, almost 3 times the amount of energy that the world will need to survive on. So in conclusion, solar roadways would be putting an end to a long waiting time for construction. Only have to fix the one panel that is broken. So this is also a big deal because a lot of the times now roads are always closed and it's very hard and a very long process for roads to become fixed. Well, with solar panels and for solar roadways, you only have to fix the panel that is broken. So it'll only cause a couple hours, maybe max, to fix because you can just take the one panel out and put a brand new panel in and then it'll be completely fixed. No month-long construction. It'll create new jobs for people in the entire world because you will need jobs for creating, maintaining, anything. Anyone can get a job doing this because there's such a variety of jobs. It'll save lives. No snow or black ice to slide on or crash due to or anything like that. There's better visuals on the road because of the LED lights. So at night you'll be able to see the road and not have to try and use your lights. They'll be lit up. The streets and everything will be lit up so you won't have to worry about that problem because it cautions the drivers. There won't be any, oh, I accidentally hit a deer, or I didn't know there was road or like rocks in the street, because the solar roadways will tell you beforehand, preventing the problem. And then it creates 3 times the amount of energy that the world will need to live off of. And then here's my works cited. I got a lot of this off of the Solar Roadway website. And then the Solar Roadway website also had a couple of other sites to look upon for like details and facts, like more specific facts, which is where I got some of these, like the 3 times the amount of energy. So just thank you for watching, and I hope you had a fun time learning about this.